Hi everyone, this is me Basima Bashir and you're watching my channel. Today we're gonna prepare a lemon honey tea. It is a natural home remedy for sore throat and cold. So let's begin the preparation. We need only three ingredients: three large sized lemon, a bottle of honey and a piece of ginger. Initially, let's wipe out all the moisture from the lemon, the cutting board, the knife and the bottle so that we can store it for a long time in the refrigerator. You can use the small lemons also. I'm using this knife, but I'm not that good at it, using it for the first time. Let's remove these pieces. We just need the fleshy part of the lemon. Slicing it into thin slices. I think it's not going to work. Let's go back to my favorite knife. Yeah, now let's cut into small pieces. So we are using lemon. Lemon is a powerhouse of vitamin C and it strengthens your immune system and it will neutralizes all the free radicals in your body and it will reduces infection and swelling. So all the pieces are sliced. Now let's remove the seeds out of it or else it gives a bitter taste to your syrup. Next, we are going to add ginger. I'm using just a small piece. It's very good to use more than double the size of my portion. Ginger removes all the toxins in your body and it is very good medicine for upset stomach, dizziness, nausea and vomiting. So slicing the ginger into thin pieces. Take a container. I prefer to use a glass container and pour the honey. Honey is always very good ingredient. It soothes your sore throat and it is an effective natural cough suppressant. And the sweetness in honey will balances the tartness of the lemon and the ginger which we use here. So let's add more honey. If you have a thin container or a tall container with less width, it is much better because you can dip all the lemon slices into it. So let's stack up the lemon slices. Pouring little more honey so that all the slices get immersed in honey. Yeah, and it's done. I'm just adding 2 cinnamon sticks just to enhance the flavor. It's completely optional. You can skip it if you don't like cinnamon. And now it's ready to go. You can start using this on the third day onwards. And this is my mixture after 1 month. So now I will show you how to prepare the drink. I'm adding half a cup of hot water or warm water and taking a thin slice of lemon and 3 tablespoons of the syrup. You can also drink it very often. It's good for you even though you are not having any cold or cough. Yeah, now it's good to go. You can also make a refreshing drink out of it when you are free of cold and cough. So I'm taking a glass of water and adding ice cubes. Taking a slice of lemon and 3 tablespoons of the syrup. Enjoy. So I hope this was useful for you guys. Do subscribe to my channel and share among your family and friends.